A very good morning to all of you. I'm Ritu, your science teacher. Today we will discuss our chapter number 10, that is simple machines. Let's start. In this chapter we will discuss mainly these two topics. The first one is what are simple machines and second types of simple machines. There are several tools called simple machines that make our work easier every day. What is work or work done? When a force acting on an object moves it across a distance, like this is an object, force is acting on the object and it covers a distance, then it is called that there is a work done. For example, a tailor does work when he cuts cloth. But for doing this work done, he needs a scissors. So scissor is a simple machine. Same in case of gardener. Gardener use shovel to pull out weeds. So shovel is a simple machine and work done is pull out of weeds. What is a simple machine? A simple machine is a simple device that is used to change the amount and direction of force applied for doing task. There are 6 basic types of simple machines: lever, inclined plane, screw, wedge, wheel and axle and a pulley. Let's start with the lever and their types. A lever is a simple machine. It is rigid bar resting on a fixed point and used to move heavy or firmly fixed load with one end when pressure is applied to the other. जब हम एक एंड पे प्रेशर अप्लाई करते हैं, then by this pressure heavy or firmly fixed load is moved या फिर will start move. We use many types of levers in our everyday life like scissors, pliers, nutcracker, tongue, wheelbarrow, etc. are commonly used levers. Here are examples. In lever, it involves moving a load around a fixed point called fulcrum. There are 3 types of lever on the basis of fulcrum's position. The first one is class 1 lever, second class 2 lever and third class 3 lever. Let's begin with the first one. In class 1 lever, the fulcrum is at the center and load and efforts at the ends. Examples are scissor, plier, claw hammer and a seesaw. We can see in these pictures. Here is fulcrum, here is load and here effort. In class 2 lever, fulcrum is at one end, load is at middle and effort is at second end. For example, in nutcracker, here we apply effort, here presence of fulcrum and load is in middle. In bottle opener and wheelbarrow. Class 3 lever have fulcrum and load at the ends and effort at the middle. Like in this pair of tongue, effort is applied here, load is here and fulcrum is here. In tweezers, we apply effort here, load present here and fulcrum is at this end. Second is inclined plane. Any flat surface is called a plane when this plane is slanted or inclined like this. Then this is called inclined plane. Heavy loads can be moved very easily, or we can say can move with less effort. A ramp is commonly called an inclined plane. Hence, ramp become a simple machine. We can see this person pushes this heavy block very easily on this slant plane या फिर inclined plane. Next one is screw. We use screw to join together many things around us. A screw is also a type of inclined plane wrapped around a cylindrical rod. We can see this is a screw, this is cylindrical rod and इसके around inclined plane है which is wrapped all around it. It's like a screw compared to a spiral staircase. We can see we can attach things using a screw with the help of a screwdriver. It rotates. While rotating, it moves into the wood. We can see this is screw, and with the help of this screwdriver, it moves into this block. But this distance of this screw depends on the distance between two rivets made on the screw. Next one is wedge. All the example shows of simple machines are called wedge. Wedge help करती है to push things apart. Apart means to separate. It is like an inclined plane, but instead of moving things to a higher level, it helps in splitting the things. Splitting means to get them apart or to separate them. For example, wood and eggs, knife as blade. Our teeth work like a wedge, which all are these working to separate out or cut out. Next one is wheel and axle. Have you observed how the wheels of cycle moves with the help of pedal? Wheel and axle is a type of simple machine that consists of an arrangement of one or more wheels and a supporting piece of rod called axle. This is axle. These are wheels. These both are wheels. When this axle is rotates, the wheel also moves. Examples are steering wheels, doorknobs, handrails and screwdrivers. Ferris wheel, doorknob, steering wheel, these all are examples of wheel and axle. Next one is pulley. You have all seen this scenario which is shown in this picture, that a woman pulling. The woman uses a pulley to draw water from the well. What is pulley? Pulley is a simple machine made up of wheel and a rope. This is wheel and it is rope. The rope simply rests on the grooves of the wheel. One part of rope is attached to the bucket here and other end of the rope is left to pull the bucket. Here is the other end of the rope. When you pull on one side of the pulley, the wheel turns and the bucket will move. जब यहाँ से रोप को पुल किया जाता है, then bucket automatically pull हो जाती है. A pulley helps in moving loads up, down and sideways. Some common examples of pulleys being used in are flagpoles, fishing lines and blinds. We can see in flagpole, here is pulley is used. In curtain blinds, pulley is used, and fishing line, here pulley is used. Pulley are used in single or a combination arrangement. There are three types of pulleys: fixed pulley, movable pulley, or compound pulley that are used in different ways in different machines. So it's all about this chapter. If you have any doubt and query regarding this chapter, then you can ask me. Keep studying. Thank you.